Hello, guys. Welcome once again to another lesson. I am your creative art instructor, Mr. Victor Eshemogie. And today's topic we'll be looking at is craft and locality. Craft and locality. We'll be looking at the types of crafts and where they are found. But before moving into details, I just want to make a quick recap on what our last topic was. Can you tell us what the last topic was? Okay, our last topic was crafts and local crafts work. Yes, an introduction to local crafts. That was our last topic. Okay, so now let's move on. Yeah, one thing you should know is that before we go to before the end of these lessons, you should be able to explain the meaning of crafts work and also define locality. That is, you should be able to differentiate between the crafts and also know what locality means. Then you should also be able to identify types of crafts and where they are found, the types of crafts and the locations where they are actually what found. Then the next is you should be able to state the functions of crafts. You should be able to state functions of crafts, okay, and appreciate crafts as part of cultural heritage. Now, one thing you should know that in art, the topics there you treat are related to each other. Now, we are talking about meaning of creative of crafts and locality. So, and I believe in our previous class we've looked into the definition of crafts. So here again is another meaning. So take it; it's the same thing, okay, irrespective of how different it looks in different ways, but it's the same thing. Okay, here it says craft is the making of useful or decorative items by hand using skills and local materials. Now, here is the meaning of locality. Locality refers to the place or area where a particular craft is commonly what made or found. A locality refers to the place or area where a particular craft is commonly made or found. Here are the types of crafts and their localities. There's the areas which they are found. These craft works are being found. We have pottery. Pottery is making of pots, use of clay. Okay, in Abuja we can find pottery. The make of pottery in Abuja, Ilorin, and Benue. Then weaving of baskets, weaving of mats, weaving of hand fans, all these ancient things. We can find them in Abia, Akwete, Oyo, and Undo. So then wood carving could be found in Benin City as Edo State. Benin City, Edo State, then Oyo, then Oshun. You can as well find wood carving in Oyo State. Then leather works, find them in Kano and Sokoto in the northern region because these are the people that they should I say they are more into these leather works. They make the leather bags, the shoes, and the rest of that. Then bead making, Ile-Ife. Ile-Ife in Osun State, Bida in Niger. Then tie and dye in our local language, we call it adire. So here we'll be looking at the functions of crafts. Just note that when you have the functions, it also means the uses. So crafts are actually used for decorations, for cultural and traditional ceremonies, provide employment and income, promote tourism, preserve culture and tradition. Just as what we have seen in our previous lessons, if you've not followed, go back to start from the beginning of how we started talking about crafts works, introduction to craft to local crafts works, so you can get it right. Okay. All right, guys. Just for a brief recap of today's lessons on crafts and locality, here are just few points which you all should take note of. The first point is this: crafts are handmade items produced using local skills and materials. The second point is locality explains where different crafts are commonly found. Then different regions are also known for different crafts. Different what regions are also known for different crafts. Now, crafts serve cultural, economic, and decorative purposes. So take note of these points, they are important. We will now be rounding off with our practice questions. which I urge every one of you to take part in this. It is important. I would love to see your feedbacks on these questions. Now, what is craft? What is craft? What does the word locality mean? What does the word locality mean? And mention two types of crafts and their locations or localities. Mention two types of crafts and their localities. Then state two functions of crafts. Before I say my goodbyes, I would urge you all to kindly go back to other videos, other lessons that you've missed from my own end, that you have missed already. Kindly go back and go through them for future reference, for future purposes. It will help you. Okay. So this is the end of our lessons on crafts and localities for today. So see you in our next lessons. Have a wonderful day ahead, guys.